Okay, guys, I'm finally on. Can everybody hear me and see my screen properly? Just confirm, then we can start. Okay, great to see you here, guys. So we had the RBI policy today, and a very nice 50 basis point rate cut, better than expected. So it's our governor who's bullish on our economy, and that's a very good news. Puts a lot of pressure on the government, and I would not be in a hurry to short this market right now. I would be if you have noted, I've taken long trades today. So the trades that we have taken today, Nikhil is not there. So let me see the trades that we have taken today. We went on to a nifty trade in the morning long. And at what price were we long into the nifty trade yesterday, guys? 7730. So let me log it. So I've logged till yesterday. Remember, we were short on Ashok Leyland yesterday, in which in futures, some of the traders booked a profit of 20,000 rupees today. So then today is 29th. So let's, it was a nifty trade. So let me just write a nifty trade here. Let me copy one. Okay. So index future, we had, yeah, it was a big profit today. I want to tell a very important point today. उसके लिए आज खास काफी लोग हैं भी आज. So I'll not be in a hurry to start a trade. I want to make some points today. So this is, I sent through SMS today. So here, whenever I do it live trading in the class with you, I write here live trading. And whenever I do SMS, I cite a SMS here, and then we log it properly. Like this was on 29th September, that is today. The day is Friday. Oh, sorry, Tuesday. And we exited that also today in the morning, 29th September. So what happened in this? Our trading stop loss was triggered. Okay, so in profits, not in losses. And our entry was 7730. 7730 was the entry. Stop loss was 7695. 7695. So, and then our target was gap filling in this, which was, it came down about 90 points. So, about 7820. 7820 was the gap filling. And the moment the gap filling happened, we trailed our stop loss to 7800. And we exited at 7800. And our maximum position size allowed was 86. We take 1. So our actual position size was 25. And initial risk was 875. And we booked a profit in this of 1750 rupees. So this is there. Then we have one more trade in Nifty going on. This is another trade that I gave today. A re-entry in Nifty. Control V. Again, Nikhil just writes Sir setup. He wouldn't know why I've given it. So he just writes Sir setups here. What was the second entry, guys? हमारा दूसरा entry कौन सा हुआ Nifty में आज? 7775. Great. 7775. And this is in progress. Yeah, and stop loss in this is 773077. We'll trail the stop losses now. I'll tell you how. And in this, my target is at least if a rally comes, at least 100 point up from here. So maybe somewhere around 7,900. If people buy at 1230, 7,900 is the target. Trailing stop loss for the moment is 7730. And the exit, we have not exited yet on this. Maximum position size 67. We have taken 21. So this we haven't done yet. So this is our log here. That's how I will log here. See, if I look at the market now, this is the market here. What I've been doing since morning. Let me open this one here. This is my trade since morning. So I've been doing some option writing. We have option course starting from this Friday, you know. So I thought let me practice some of my option writing that I'll be teaching into the class. And these are neutral trades where it doesn't matter where the market goes. And in the morning itself, I booked a profit of 12,940 rupees on my option writing. They were mainly option writing trades. I was doing option writing in Bank Nifty, Bank of Baroda, IDBI. This is where I was working primarily. So booked a nice profit right in the morning. That's the screenshot I've taken for you here. And the key to sticking to the discipline, oh, somebody wanted me to zoom it. Oh, okay, wait, it is right somewhere here. This is it. A profit of 12,940 in different kind of trades here. So, and then I'm out. So I booked my profit on this. And when I give you trades, guys, I also take the same trades at the same time. And remember, the trading day, we hit a lot of stop losses on this, but we didn't break any of the rules here. So after that, I've been trading continuously. This is my trade from yesterday. Remember I gave you a Ashok Leyland future trade. And there yesterday, I booked a profit of 8,800 rupees. I booked it at around 2 o'clock. I was supposed to travel to Palghar, and I don't leave positions open when I travel out of Mumbai. So I booked my 8,800 rupees of profit yesterday in this. So which is this here. Let me make this screenshot bigger. Right. This was my Ashok Leyland. I was trading the future. Plus, I was trading the options of Ashok Leyland. So when I gave you the trade, I took the same trade and booked a profit of 8,800 rupees on this. Today, booked a profit of 12,000, and my trade in Nifty is going on. And my profit in my Nifty trade for the moment, as you can see, is 16,752 rupees. Now, 17,000 rupees of profit I'm making on this. So you understand how important it is to make sure that you get out with small losses and, respect the market the way market should be respected. See, this is what trading is all about. That's the point I want to tell you guys here. Remember, this was the live trading in the class we did. We were trading Lupin, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and remember, everything was hit. कुछ 9 स्टॉप लॉस या 8 स्टॉप लॉस मेरे उस दिन हिट हुए थे. And normally you get dejected. Even I was dejected, but then you never break the rules even when the trading is not going in your favor. And you go and market will give you next day the profit. For example, here on this same day in the evening, I was trading some crude oil here, and I made about 2,100 rupees in crude oil. So net, I lost about 6,000 rupees on Thursday. Then on Friday, we had, yesterday I made 8,800 rupees. Then in the morning in my option writing, I've already booked 12,940 rupees. And right now I'm on 16,000 rupees of profit on my Nifty trades. So this is what I want to show, that a bad day doesn't make you a failure. This is market. You have to adhere to your stop losses properly and make sure that you never break your rules. In the trading room, those who are in the physical trading room, now you have seen we have introduced a lot of rules there. Every day we are monitoring a lot of stuff now there. So that's the next focus too. And now only in future, only those people in physical trading room, their physical trading room would be renewed who are in profits. People who are in losses, who break the rules, the trading rooms would not be renewed, the physical trading room guys. I'm very particular about that. Physical trading room, only those people who, follow the rules, learn, keep on working. So that is where, the renewal will not be on the basis of if you can pay. It will be on the basis of if you can make, work on rules and continuously make profit. So performance pressure has come now. Guys. And I take it very seriously. Remember, I gave the trading competition. I am the first one to participate in it. And this is my results of the, and these are all log trades that I show in front of you. I made a profit of 2,29,000 rupees on an average capital of 1,24,000 rupees. And the number of days I have traded is about 20 days. 20 days I have traded almost a month. And I've been able to make 184% on my, on my capital. This is the potential of this market. This is worth working on. इसके लिए काम करना चाहिए ना, मेहनत करनी चाहिए कि नहीं? Yes or no, guys? Isn't this worth working on? And I show you ledgers. I don't show you charts. I show you ledgers. So this is what, now I will, keep on working on people and making sure that you reach these levels. But as I say, I've spent 10 years in this. So give it time. Trading takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है, अविनाश बोल रहा है नहीं बिल्कुल रूल्स पे दुनिया कायम है, इसमें रूल्स ब्रेक नहीं करने हैं हमको. Let's see now. Our trades are going fine. So let's see how we will trail our Nifty now. Let's go on our Nifty and high time I start locking some of my profits in this. So I take my, you can enter now also. If somebody wants to enter, you can enter, but late entry hogi, but you can enter. That's not a problem. How does it work normally? I'll tell you how it works. This is another important thing to remember. Remember our 61% retracement level? After the good news was out, let's take off everything else. After the good news was out, this is where the good news was out. And then it went down. The first thing you do when this happens is, what will you do? When somebody make a guess, क्या करोगे अभी? जैसे ऐसे दिखा तो सबसे पहले क्या करना होता है एक इवेंट के बाद? Book your profits. Number one, we did that. हमने 7,800 पे अपना, very good. That's the answer. Who gave me the answer? Prabhakar Dalvi. Very good, sir. Excellent. Proud of you. You wait for retracement. That's excellent. And what retracement would be a nice retracement after such volatility? 61.8. Very good, Rajkumar, Sarfaraj. Amazing. So let me make retracement. ट्रेडिंग इतनी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है जितनी दिखती है, सिर्फ रूल्स ब्रेक नहीं करने. Now, what you do is, now you just wait for market to, if it, see what kind of retracement it is giving. So it is coming down, retracing back to 50%. Now almost it has come to 61. It will not exactly touch, but this is a good time to put a, and that's the trade I've exactly given. We took the trade at about 7775, somewhere here. And my stop loss is just below the 61% retracement level here. This is the level that I've taken. So 773, it did not come till here. And then it came here and then move up. So somewhere when it was moving up here, the moment it broke the 38.2 retracement back on the upper side is when you enter. Put your stop loss just below this. And then you keep on trailing. Now, what is the critical level for me? You see, this was the swing high that was made. 7717. Iske upar breakout hoga. Right now, where should our stop loss be now? Let's take a 5-minute chart. Load chart template. So remember we had our pivot trading system of super trend. So this is what we are looking at. let's say a 5-day, 5-minute chart. And I'm seeing I'm coming on my daily, levels. So the first thing I do, because now I'm on a profit of about 18,000 rupees. So the first thing I do is I say modify 1 to 5. I never hesitate in booking profits. This is one habit I have. So I have sold half of it now. I'm out. Now I will about 9,000. I've locked about 9,000 rupees now. And now the remaining one, I have to put a stop loss. Where will I put the stop loss? This can be a good stop loss, guys. Please change your stop loss to 7790. So I change my stop loss here. Turnover, square of. So this is delete and 7790. Place and confirm. Can I ever suffer a loss in this trade now, guys? Can I ever suffer loss in this trade now? No. This is what trading is all about. I saw that it was coming on the daily pivot. Daily pivot acts as a resistance always. And I was in a nice profit of about 18,000 rupees. And I took off half of it. That means I booked my 9,000 rupees. So now I'm 12,000 in the morning, 9,000 now. So I'm at about 21,000 rupees I've already booked. And the remaining I am, trailing somewhere. This can be a good one probably because there is a swing low here. 7785. I think I'll make this one as, have I done that? Yeah. Modify 7785. 7785. Place and confirm. Let me give it to everybody. Just give me a minute, guys. A lot of people are not in trading room. So let me send SMS to them. Okay. Please trail. Okay, guys, you also do it. Trail stop loss in Nifty to what is the level we have? To 7785 is where we are trailing it to. 7785 and trail 5-day, 5-minute super trend true after that. So I'll just send it to people now. Just give me a minute. I'm just sending a SMS to everybody. Nikhil is not there today, so I have to do some of his work. Trading is all about managing your risk. You just have to keep on managing your risk. At this time, I would also like to see where a 5-day, 10-minute super trend is. And we see the 5 days, 10-minute super trend is somewhere at about 7750. We already booked a good profit in the morning in our Nifty. So which one is a preferable trail, guys? 5 minutes or 10 minutes? 5 minutes, yes, that's a good. So you always see 5 minutes is a better trade. But one thing I will do here, if the, and I see this facing resistance on this one. So one other thing that I will do is, if it breaks this decisively above, then I'll wait. You have two choices now. Either you're in guaranteed profit now. दो choice आपके पास में अभी है. या तो आप 7785 पे अपना ट्रेल स्टॉप कर लो. जब 10 मिनट यहाँ पे आएगा तो यू कैन टेक इट अप. दिस इज इफ यू वांट टू रिमेन लॉन्गर इनटू द ट्रेड, or else you can continue to trail your 5 minutes. Both are okay choices. We will continue to trail our 5 minutes. That's what we'll be working on, and this is where it is roughly now. 7785, that's where we are. And it is coming here. देखो जैसे ही pivot पे आया, so it has अभी next week में I'll be teaching you about Camarilla pivots. You know, these are regular pivots that I'm doing. There are other form of pivots called Camarilla pivots. So I'll be teaching you about them also. So we see this is moving on. This is our Nifty. गड़बड़ हमने Nifty. This is the wrong one, guys. हमारा stop loss हमने उस पे दे दिया है. This is October. Yeah, this is where it should be. Okay. Sorry. Our stop loss would be ये गलत दे दिया. It should be here. 7800. It should be 7800, guys. मैं गलत कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में था. Please modify to 7800. 7800 is our trail. वो भी ध्यान रखिए कि सही चार्ट में हो ना, गलत चार्ट में घुस गए थे अभी. We have 13 lakh buyers, 8 lakh sellers, and the price is above the pivot. So we have this one here that we are looking at. Okay, so I need to give it to others also. Just I gave them the wrong one, guys. Give me a minute. And you see how important these pivots are. Prices come here and it is just stagnating here. It is also forming another thing here. It is forming a double top. Maybe it's a time for me to maybe book a little more of my profits. Let's say about 50 more. I would like to book because it is facing resistance and a stiff resistance at this level. So I have no only 75 left, so I need to modify 75, and this is 7800. 7800, place, confirm. So I've booked some more of my profits. So I've booked about 12,000 rupees of profit now. So totally I'm in about 24,000 rupees of profit. And now, and this is when you need to have a lot of confidence in what you are doing. For example, here, now it is 7798. So our stop loss should be 7795 roughly. $7,795. Where was I getting most of the information about the market in the morning? Was it from the charts? No, charts won't tell you on a day like this. It was from the options data. Options data, there's two ways to look at the market. One is from options perspective and another is from chart perspective. Abhi jo advanced course hoga, usme I'll be teaching people how to look at the market from the options perspective and also to make money whether the market is going up or the market is going down. ऐसी स्ट्रेटजी में उसमें सिखाने वाला हूं कि मार्केट किधर भी जाएगा आपको पैसा बनेगा. Would you like to learn that, guys? That's worth learning. That's what I'll be teaching about. And as I've announced, then you have to come into the class. It is starting on Friday. Friday is the class. I don't know if any seats are there left, but you can check with Dharmishta if any seats are left. कल almost खत्म ही होने वाली थी, packed था बिल्कुल. Check with her if anything is left. And another thing that I will do is people who are part of the trading rooms, they will have 2 special sessions on option strategies in a month, and I will take them in the night. Many people said that we don't find time in the day, or option strategies ka whether the market is open or closed usse lena dena nahi hota hai, because it's a longer term that we will be working on. So I'll keep them in the night, same time as the class on some other day, which it will be around from 9 to 10 in the night. That's when I'll be keeping those 2 special classes for options, advanced option strategies, but only for people who have done that options course plus who are part of the trading rooms. So now, what is another thing that I'll be doing now? Praveen, both are better. You should know both. Now we see here, let's see कितना retracement is. मैं निफ्टी पे focus कर रहा हूँ, अभी मैं ज़्यादा पे नहीं जा रहा हूँ. Let's look at this one. If somebody wants to do the option course, you have to call immediately after the class. Seats नहीं बची मेरे पास. So let's look at this one कि कितना retrace किया, क्योंकि double top बनाया उसने. So we see it is exactly almost 38% के आसपास आके वो फिर रुक जा रहा है. It's coming at about 38% and then going down. So it is confirming कौन सा pattern बन रहा है. It is a very nice flag that we are seeing it, Lakshmikant. Very good. This is a flag that we are seeing here. और अभी यहाँ से अब market को बड़े picture में देखते हैं. Let's look at the daily chart. What is my targets now? Now I'm planning this. This is where there is a high possibility market might come. Gap filling. Good news has come. And what we are seeing in the market, anybody can see a pattern that I'm seeing right now. There's a pattern this market is forming, very, very bullish. Can somebody see it? Inverted head and shoulder, Lakshmikant. Very good. It's not double bottom. It's inverting head and shoulder. And inverted head and shoulder, कहां तक market को लेके जाता है? बता देता हूं वो भी. ये जहां से move शुरू हुआ, ये move कहां से शुरू हुआ? ये move यहां से शुरू हुआ. So this becomes the target of the market, about 8,600. Always buy people's fear. Always sell people's greed. This is a good time. Just looking at it is a good time to build portfolios. कल मैंने टाटा मोटर का एक स्टॉक दिया था, आधा पोजीशन दिया था. जरा टाटा मोटर देख लेते हैं. This is Tata Motors. And we see Tata Motors. We yesterday we bought, and I think if I look at Tata Motors weekly chart, Tata Motors is coming into this zone now. That's why I said take half your positions, because if it comes to this level, you can buy half more. But I don't think it will come down to this level, because this level is equally strong here. It's already in the zone here. So I think we can take full positions in Tata Motors now, guys. Those who want to take Tata Motors full positions, they can take now. For myself, add script Tata Motors. Let me buy about 100 Tata Motors more for myself. And this is more or less the money I've made today. So आज के profit से ही खरीद रहा हूँ. I prefer to buy my stocks from my profits for portfolios. That's a habit I've kept over the years. So we see we have about 100 Tata Motors at about 286. So those who want to buy, guys, Tata Motors खरीद लीजिए. मैं सबको दे दूं जरा. Buy full position in Tata Motor at 286 and stop loss at 260. Trail as per rules. When I say trade as per rules, it is what I have taught you. So everything should be with a stop loss. That's what one thing I always say. Okay, so we have Yeah, Tata Motors, guys, those who want to buy, very good time to buy Tata Motors. In fact, this would be a good time to accumulate, some stocks in your portfolio now. And this is how this market happens. Everybody is talking, it'll go down. And I was checking out a target for Nifty, and my target for Nifty is about 9,500. 9,500 looks to be a good target for me on Nifty. आज नहीं जाएगा नितेश, टाइम लेगा. About 1.5 years maybe. It's a see now it is, you see how important those Fibonacci levels are even on smaller levels. It has now rallied up, moved up. धीरे धीरे ऊपर जा रहा है अभी. एंड हमें क्या करना है अभी? हमको तो ट्रेल करते जाना है. हमको तो एक ही चीज अच्छी तरीके से आती है, उसको बोलते हैं ट्रेल. और हम अच्छे बच्चे की तरह अपना ट्रेल करते जाएंगे. सो आवर ट्रेल नाउ इज 7810. So let's trail it to modify. 7810 is my trail now. And now it has broken that level. Daily or weekly दोनों break कर रहा है. So maybe I can take some more of my positions. At least 50 more I'll buy now. So I've taken 50 more. मैं अपनी वापस आधी position में चला गया. And everything. So now I have 125 profit of 10,000 rupees now. And I say modify. It will be 125 now. So it will be 7810. 7810 is my profit on this now. And now Europe has opened. What are they doing, guys? Are they buying India or selling India? Yeah, 50 is 2 lots, Rajani. That's correct. They're buying India. Looks like they're buying. And on a bad day, if it can go down 200 points, on a good day, can't it go down till 200 points up? इस टाइम क्या होता है, बहुत सारे लोगों ने वो टर्निंग पॉइंट वाला किधर जाके सीखा हुआ है. अब इतना ऊपर चला गया, अब यहां से नीचे आएगा. तो प्लीज अभी शॉर्ट करने की गलती नहीं करना. I'm a trend trader. I don't bother so much about the turning points of the market. जब वो टर्निंग पॉइंट हो जाता है तो दिख जाता है. So we'll keep on. So it is breaking now. Now see, it is in fact a nice entry coming now. It is moving up all the way from here, 7880, and I'll keep an eye on this level. Remember, यहाँ पे आएगा तो मैं अपनी आधी पोजीशन जो 50 अभी ली है मैंने, उनको मैं बेच दूंगा या उनका स्टॉप लॉस बहुत टाइट कर दूंगा. बट इज दिस अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लेवल? ये डबल टॉप तो बनाएगा, पर बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग लेवल है? Yes or no? No. So, I'll probably not book my profits. I'll just trail it tight. I'll just trail it tight. That's what I'll be doing. And you see the market is forming a pattern. It's a flag market today. It is forming flags today. Very nicely the flags are going on. Let's see what is moving the Nifty up today. What is moving the Nifty down today? अभी जरा उसको देख लेते हैं. Reports. So now we need to trail here. See, trail regularly करते हैं. Our trail should be now 7825. So let me trail it to. Every trail reduces my risk, increases my profit. 7825. 7825 is my profit trail now. So we'll keep on trailing till the time we are thrown out by the market. जितना बड़ा मूव ऊपर होगा उतना फास्ट हमको ट्रेल आएगा. So we keep on trailing the market. Okay, so let's see where we are on this. Not this. So now I'll have good profits of at least about 25,000 rupees today. Let's This is in progress now, but now it is in progress in profit for sure. So now our stop loss is 7825 TSL. 7825 is the trailing stop loss on this. And what is the guaranteed profit on this? We have roughly about 50 points. So 1,250 is your guaranteed profit on this trade now. And we will keep on trailing. Abhi, right now you see it has gone above the daily pivot and it has also gone above the weekly pivot. Daily or weekly, दोनों pivot के ऊपर चला गया है for the moment. So, we have a Tata Motors लिया था, so get latest, yeah. Square of 260. किधर भी आपको stop loss जरूर लगाना है. So, आप इसमें ले रहे हो तो भी stop loss लगता है. Stop loss is on everything that you trade. हर चीज पे stop loss लगता है. So, okay, now let me take off all this that I was trading since morning. Okay, now let's look at Bank Nifty. This is another index now. आज equity का दिन है. So let's look at Bank Nifty now. थोड़ा सा आज हमने लेट शुरू किया, so I'll close it about 1:15. अभी 1 बजे बंद नहीं करूंगा, लेट शुरू हुआ था हमारा आज. So about 1:15 I will close. So I look at Bank Nifty. Let's see what Bank Nifty is doing. So Bank Nifty is about 1% up. You see, Bank Nifty is more bullish than Nifty. This is always a good sign. क्योंकि बैंकर्स को सबसे पहले पता लगता है क्या होने वाला है. यदि फॉरेन फंड अंदर आने वाला है तो who is the first one who will know? The banks. So we see banks are more stronger than Nifty. And let's look at the buyers and sellers in banks. And we see we have about 2,40,000 buyers, 2,34,000 sellers. And just looking at this figure, first thing I do is this profit I have, square off, and I say 75 more I have taken off from the table. Yeah, I'm out only on 50 now, so I booked a substantial amount of my profit. And now here I am only 50 at 7825. So मैं अपने रिस्क का बहुत कम हिस्सा मार्केट में छोड़ रहा हूँ. I have, more or less, very less risk I have living. This is about 50 to just 2,500 rupees is what I'm leaving on the table. And out of the 22,000 rupees roughly where it is now, I've already booked close to about 15,000 rupees on this one. And we see somewhere here, if you look now, I would like to go on Nifty also. We still have strong buyers, so we keep on trailing this 50 Nifty I have. And the remaining I have booked my profit on this. Okay. So Bank Nifty, my problem in Bank Nifty is there are not enough buyers. The price is way above the pivot, no problem, but I would have been expecting a much better, on this. Let's see what sectors have moved up the most. Where should we put our money? What has moved up the most here in this market here? So I load my sectors here. Let's quickly look at the sectors. 1 day, 10-minute chart. This is very strong. Auto, but still below the daily pivot. Still below the daily pivot. Energy. Energy is also bullish, but still below the daily pivot. I'm looking at the ones which have gone above the daily pivots. This one is bullish. Finance is going above the daily pivots. FMCG. FMCG has, moved, way above. So the daily pivot. So this is one sector you might want to see. Infra. This is a good sector. And with the rate cut that has happened, What are the few stocks? Maybe some real estate stocks you might be looking at. DLF? No, not DLF. I would be going at the stocks that are good. One is Godrej. Yes, Rajkumar, I would love Godrej and India Bulls both. So let's look at our India Bulls. Remember, we had India Bull Real Estate that we have already bought for our portfolio here. This is moving up. Yeah, see, this is 63. This is moving up. Then we have, let's look at the various sectors. they काम करते हैं इसके सेक्टर पे ही चले जाते हैं. Let's go to CNX Realty first. This is DLF. Now DLF is looking at this as a shorting opportunity. DLF is a fundamentally very weak company. Today, it has been just propelled a little up at 232. Let's see if we have a buying opportunity here. Always sell, rallies in a weak stock. It's a good habit to sell rallies in a weak stock. So we see, it has just come into a double top. It is forming a very nice double top. The price is getting rejected. Yes, so it's a very simple trade. हमने पहले mark करके रखा तो यहाँ आएंगे तो short करेंगे. So अभी आ गया है. So high time to go short. Or the market is becoming weak. So one thing I do on this is I book my full profits on my Nifty. Those who want to book their profits, they can book their profits on Nifty, guys. I cancel. Confirm, just make sure. So I've booked about 18,000, a little more on Nifty now. This is here. And then I'm looking more at, so Nifty, if we 7, 8, Nifty, if I see, guys, let me take, so it's a good idea to put your stop loss at about 7860, facing resistance. 7850 would be a good idea. So guys, trail your stop loss in Nifty. Dear sir, trail stop loss in Nifty to 7850, 7850, or let's lock now. 7860 would be 7860 would be a good one. About 7, 8, and after that, let it follow at 7860. Okay. So 7860 is where we are trailing it. It's a protocol I have to use. Dear sir, मैं dear madam नहीं लिखता हूँ. ये मेरे SMS वाले का protocol है. मैं already उससे बहस कर चुका हूँ. This is racist, But it is as per their protocols. यदि मैं dear madam लिखूंगा तो आदों को जाएगा नहीं. So whenever I say dear sir, I also mean dear madam. Let me clarify on that. Okay, so let's look at. So I add on this one, and you carry on, guys. You with your Nifty. I've got on with. I've booked, made enough money into this. It is way above my target, and I'm looking for another trade now. So you guys keep on trailing Nifty. So I'm looking more at DLF now. So I go to DLF. And I see DLF, the future is already coming at discount. So let me go to a 5-day, 5-minute chart of DLF. And this is where I'm seeing an opportunity. But let me see how much it has retraced back. किसी में जाने से पहले अपना due diligence करते हैं. So if I see DLF, this was rally, this was down. So somewhere around this was a 61% retracement level. If it breaks this, it might go below that. So right now I'll just wait for this retracement level. And let's look at the buyer sense. So we have 13,84,000 buyers. 16 lakh and 6,000 sellers. Market ऊपर जा रहा है तो ये आराम से जा रहा है. If I look at DLF, the lot size in DLF is 2,000. So I made enough money right now so I can risk this one. But where should my stop loss be? Market 66 point ऊपर चला गया, पर ये is DLF moving very fast up as the market is going up, guys? Yes or no? No. So it is a weak stock in a strong market. It is a weak stock in a strong market. That's what I'm looking at DLF now. Weak stock in a strong market, not moving up. So maybe, you can take a short position. आप stocks में ले सकते हैं, मैं future में लूंगा. You can take in stocks if you want on this. So this is where I'm seeing. So DLF, it is still above the pivot. And, so maybe what I will do is, instead of going into the future, I can always convert. I can go to stocks first. So I go to DLF here. So, and we see DLF stock and future, there's no premium on this anymore now. So I sell a future, guys. जिसको stock short करना है, आप stock short कर सकते हैं. Let me give it to everybody. Let me put my stop loss first at about 133. So I go here and I say square off, delete 133. So I'm putting just 4,000 rupees of more I risk. I put a stop loss of 133, not 76. So, okay, so 133 is where I put my stop loss. Confirm. Get latest. And I say modify. So 133 is where my stop loss on DLF is. Let me give it to, guys, Nifty. Nifty is moving up, coming to the zone now. So I think it's time you trail it even tight because it is forming a double top here. So trail stop loss in Nifty to 7885. Yes, trail कर लीजिए 7885. Dear sir, short trail to 7885. We can make it 7895 now. 7895. And short DLF stock slash future. मैं दोनों देता हूं, आपको जो करना है कर सकते हैं. Future at it is already coming down at about 132, roughly at 132, and stop loss at about DLF is 134. Is where I'll put it at 134. Stop loss at 134, guys, and I've done it. So we are out on our Nifty 7895. So this is where we were. So निफ्टी में किस किस का प्रॉफिट बुक हो गया गाइस उस साइड में? किस किस का प्रॉफिट से? यस, जिसका प्रॉफिट बुक हो गया, नितेश का बुक हो गया. सो लेट्स लॉग इट. ये हमारा दूसरा ट्रेड चल रहा है. दिस इज अगेन ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस हिट एंड यहाँ पे अभी TSL is 7895, 7895. Exit is 7895. Maximum, so you booked a profit of 3,000 rupees. Again, a profit. How many of you guys, please, देखना है कितने लोग ट्रेड करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं. Please write down your profits in Nifty. Those who have booked their profits since morning, please write down your profits in Nifty. कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ है तो मुझे ध्यान में आए कौन कितना बुक कर पा रहा है. 2,100, 4,750, 4,000, 6,852, 2,500, 2,000, 3,000, So nice, you made good money today, guys. That's nice, fantastic. अब इसके बाद पूरे दिन आप क्या करने वाले हो? Anybody has an idea? अब इसके बाद क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं. Very good. That's the answer I got. कुछ नहीं. I mean, we have all very good trades. Yesterday we made money. Today we made money. Let's see the profit in our room here. So if I see here in this, let's see in this month, September, what is our profits, and these are all the trades we take, mostly live. So this is from here. Let's see what are the profits in the trading room that we have made. So we have made a profit of about, guys, 61,328 rupees on average capital of about 1 lakh of rupees in a market which has been volatile, a market which has been, more. So, one thing I will strongly recommend to anybody who has not, many of you are already joining the options course. If you find seat, do it, because I don't have much time for options course. I only do it once or twice a year. So, एक बार आपको ऑप्शन समझ में आ गया तो आपको इस तरह के प्रॉफिट्स आएंगे. आज जितने भी मैंने प्रॉफिट्स बनाए हैं वो चार्ट्स देख के नहीं बनाए, वो सिर्फ ऑप्शंस के फिगर्स देख के, ग्रीक्स समझ के बनाए. So, don't miss the options course. Okay, so now this is what we have done. Now another trade that is going on. Exit कितना important है देखिए, 7879 पे आ गया. How important it is to exit. अभी हमारा, I'm already making 400 rupees on my DLF now. हम अभी लॉन्ग से शॉर्ट में घुस गए. अभी ये हमारा लास्ट ट्रेड है, इसके बाद हम ट्रेड नहीं करेंगे. Will not be trading after this. Last trade of the day, DLF. How many of you are short on DLF? कितने लोग DLF में short हैं? Stocks में कितने short हैं? Say yes. Okay. Fine. There's a lot of people short on DLF. And how many are short on futures? Anybody is short on futures in DLF? Sujit is short on futures. Clear. Sujit, give me a call at about 12:30. तुम्हारे portfolio में कुछ और लेना है थोड़ा. We'll do that. No problem. Great. That's fantastic here. Please call me at 1 o'clock. 12:30 में थोड़ा सा भी ध्यान में आया. Already. What time it is? It's 1:10. Okay. Sujit, around 2 o'clock, please. 2 o'clock मुझे phone कर लेना, please. Okay, guys. That's from my end. Any queries, any questions you have asked? We have made some very good money since yesterday. Total trading room में कुछ 61,000 rupees के आसपास है आज. And okay, fantastic, guys. Take care. अभी जितना पैसा आज बनाया उसको प्लीज खोलना नहीं, इसलिए अभी ट्रेडिंग से थोड़ा सा दूर रहना. Okay. All the best and have a good day.